Hello everyone, I am Omid. Welcome to my course Python Introduction with a Data Analysis and the Basic Excel tool. This course is made for those who wanted to learn data analysis, Python programming, and Excel. Anyone can enroll this course, even a school student, college student, or those who want to learn this Python programming. And obviously, the employees who are working in various IT industries or a software company. This course will only prepare not only prepare you for the Python programming, but with that you will learn a various concept of data analysis and data visualization. That is the foremost need to become a data analysis. In this course, you will learn how data visualization can be do and how you can do the pattern finding with the help of this Python programming and Excel tool. Obviously, you are going to use it for the data cleaning and data preparation. This Python is helpful for software development, web development, and in various computer application, machine learning, and computer vision application. This Python will help you in a data analysis, data cleaning, data preparation, and in data engineering tool also. This Python course was developed in 1991 by Vado van Rossum, but this was become popular in the late 20s, means it was popular in the 2005 afterward, and that's the reason that it became popularities after 2005 in various domains. The people, those who will enroll this course, they will learn how to do the coding in Python, as well as they will learn the different IDE or the different platform where you can run this Python code. I made this course after combining Python programming, MS Excel, and data analysis. Usually very difficult to find all this in a single course. I made this course so that we can, or everyone, they can learn the data analysis, and they should not move for the separate course for the Excel and data analysis. This single course will make you prepare for Python programmer to data analysis, and even you can apply your same knowledge for machine learning and data science application also. In this course, I have covered everything from A to Z regarding Python data analysis, data visualization, data cleaning, and why Python we mostly use, and what is the difference between the Python programming and other programming. Hope you will learn a lot from my course and keep learning and keep practicing this Python programming and achieve your aim. Thank you.